Hello friends, I'm Colonel DJS Chehal from Olive Greens Institute, and I have a good news for all those defense aspirants who have their SSB in the near future and they are unable to travel all the way to Olive Greens Institute for preparation. Well, we've compiled a very comprehensive digital SSB course that you will find extremely useful for your preparation for the SSB sitting in the comfort of your home. Now, the program includes briefings as well as physical activities conducted, which will be shown to you in the form of illustrations and videos. The screening test includes both the OIR and the PPDT detailed briefing, as also example of how to solve the OIR test. Both verbal and non-verbal questions are given to you, as also for the PPDT, a detailed briefing about how to write a meaningful story, as well as what are those important points to be kept in mind while you participate in a PPDT discussion. Thereafter, for each of those 4 psychological tests, that is TAT, WAT, SRT and SD, we have a detailed briefing of each one of those psych tests, as also illustrations and examples given to you where you understand how to attempt it appropriately. I can almost assure you that the psych part, you will not really need any other coaching if you go through this part of the course. Thereafter, we have a detailed briefing of all of those 9 GTO tasks, and for each task you will also be shown some examples, some physical activities conducted on ground, especially for the outdoor leaderless group tasks, that is the PGT and half group, etc. We have made certain illustrations. While in the class, we will be explaining to you certain important concepts and fundas that you have to keep in mind when you attempt those tasks in the outdoor ground, which will help you to open up your own practical work sense. You don't then need anybody else to understand, because once you've understood the physics behind those basic concepts, you will be able to apply your own mind and not somebody else's mind. Then even for the personal interview, we have a detailed presentation on the interview technique per se, and then you are taught how to fill up the PIQ form correctly and what normal mistakes that you make in that. And then you'll witness a mock interview conducted and a detailed feedback given to the candidate at the end of the mock interview. So that will clarify most of your doubts about the interview technique. So the program has been so organized that you will be able to go through this without any issues. However, going through the physical part is also important, and therefore we would recommend that after you've gone through this, if you can spare 1 week of your time to come down to us and go through the outdoor tasks, the physical tasks on ground, as also to participate in various activities like the GDs and GPs, etc. That gives you a lot of confidence because while participating in a live group, the experience is different. So you go through this program and you come back for 1 week's offline program to Olive Greens that will see you through in the SSB. So you really don't need to spare 2 weeks of time if in case you have shortage of time. All the details for this course are mentioned at the bottom of this video. Please click the link and look at all the details. And we hope that you will find this video useful and you are going to immediately opt for the digital course, because you'll realize that once you've gone through this, your 3/4 of the battle is already won. All the best. Happy viewing. God bless you all.